This video shows how to connect the 160427 Kubota SSV wiring harness to the Blue Diamond high flow cold planer. As it comes, the cold planer has a cover for the solenoid and a switch to control whether the side shift or tilt function is operating. The Kubota SSV harness has, unlike most harnesses, has 8 solenoid plugs as well as 2 relays, and then it has the standard 14-pin harness on the other end. This harness allows for all functions to be controlled from within the skid steer cab. So the first thing we will do is disconnect the adapter harness for this switch. So we will remove the cover. There's one bolt in the front and one bolt in the side. And you can see how it converts 2 solenoid plugs into 4. The first thing we'll do is unplug all the solenoids. The next step is to take the connectors on the harness. There is a dark green, a light green, a dark blue, and a light blue, a dark brown and a light brown, a white and a gray. Take the dark green wire and plug it into the lower solenoid coil of the lower front solenoid. Take the light green wire and plug it into the upper coil. Take the dark blue wire and plug it into the lower solenoid coil of the lower rear solenoid, and plug the light blue wire into the upper coil. Plug the dark brown wire into the lower solenoid coil of the upper rear solenoid, and the light brown wire into the upper coil. Plug the white wire into the lower coil of the upper front solenoid, and the gray wire into the upper coil. Put the relays and the adapter harness inside the cover area. Slide the wire harness into the grommet and the slot in the cover, and rotate the grommet to lock the wire harness in place.